Welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. Still on forming equations, we'll be looking at an example in this class. It says the sum of two consecutive even integers is 34. We're going to translate this into an equation. But first of all, let's see what consecutive integers are. Okay? Solution. First of all, we know consecutive integers. Consecutive integers. Positive integers. We are considering just positive integers here. Remember that this will be 1, 2, for instance, 3, 4, 5, just like that. You see them consecutive integers. Let's look at positive integers. Positive. Okay. Then let's also see what consecutive even integers will be. Consecutive even integers. So consecutive even integers will be the first, like let's say 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. And then let's see, we can also have consecutive odd integers, and that will be let's say 1, 3, 5, 7, just like that. All right, let's see the pattern at which these integers flow. Now, assuming this first integer we don't know, let's call it x, then you discover that this increases by 1, and so the next one becomes s plus 1. Then this increases again by 1, but in relation with this, it increases by 2. So the next one becomes s plus 2, and so on. This one becomes s plus 3. So that's how the integers are increasing. This becomes s plus 4, and so on. So this is just for consecutive integers. Now this one is consecutive even integer. Let's assume we don't know this first one, and then this first one is x. You see that the next one increases by 2, so that becomes s plus 2. And then you see that this next one increases by 4, that becomes s plus 4 from here. And this one increases by 6 from here, and that becomes s plus 6, and that goes on. The odd integer is similar. We have the first one, maybe we don't know, is x. Then this increases by 2, is s plus 2. This increases by, from here it increases by 4, is s plus 4. From here it increases by 6, this is s plus 6. So you see that the consecutive even and consecutive odd integers look alike in their series or pattern. Same, while for the positive consecutive integers, they just increases by 1, and then you get this pattern. All right. So we have a question on the board that says, so let's go to the question on the board. Two consecutive even integers. So this time we are considering even integers. So we say, to solve the problem on the board, we say let the smaller integer, even integer be x. So if the first one is x, we're looking at even integer. If the first one is s, we're looking at just two consecutive. If the first one is s, the second one, therefore the second even integer, second consecutive even integer is If the first one is s, the second one will be s plus 2. Now the sum of them, their sum is s plus 2. So this plus this what we have here, and that gives us 2s plus 2. Because s plus s is 2s plus 2. So their sum is equals to 34. This implies that 2s plus 2 is equal to 34. And this gives our final answer. So with this, you can simplify to get the value for x. But what we were asked to do is just to translate into an equation, and that is what we have done. But you can also simplify further by taking this here, but no need. This is the equation we have, and then we are good. All right. So if you have any questions, you can drop in the comment section. In our next video, we'll be solving word problems on linear equations or algebraic equations. Don't forget to like, to share, and to comment on this video. See you in our next class. Bye bye.